What's up, world? Back again with another video. We back at it. Y'all see where I'm at, right? I finally got it. I finally got my truck. But let me start out by telling y'all, make sure y'all like and subscribe to the channel, man. If y'all haven't done so already, hit that like button, smash that subscribe button. Do me a favor, go back, watch some of my previous videos. Tell me how you feel about it. You already know the scope. So, I got my truck today. I just got it probably about maybe 45 minutes ago. At first, they said it was going to be ready by the end of the day. Come to find out, it was already ready, so we're good to go. But it's a little dirty, so y'all already know what time it is. I'm about to go ahead and wipe this down, clean out this truck, and finish putting all the rest of my stuff in here. And then it's go time. It's true. Hopefully, at least. We'll see. But, you know what I mean? If they give me a load today, then, yeah, I'll be on the road. But if not, I'll be on the road first thing in the morning. You know what I mean? Fingers crossed that that's going to be the schedule. So let me get to this cleaning, because man, I'm not gonna lie, it's a hot mess in here, bro. Just looking around here, it's not as dirty as my other truck, but it's definitely dirty. So I'm gonna go down and wipe this bad boy down, put my gloves on, and get right to it. So yeah, finally in the truck though, man. Thank y'all for all the prayers and positive and encouraging messages that y'all been leaving me. All the comments, man, I appreciate it all. Man, I appreciate everybody that's been sticking with me and just subscribed and been following this journey. So I appreciate all y'all, man. Thank y'all so much. I'm going to continue doing what I do, giving this positive message and giving y'all this trucking content and this positive content, and encouraging everybody out there to just keep doing something positive. And like y'all already know, utilize your gift. So let me get to it. Let me clean out this truck, man, because I can't be driving around in this dirty truck. I just can't do it. I can't function in no dirty truck. So let me go down, clean this out, wipe this out, and then I'm going to get right back with y'all. All right, y'all. So I did a quick tune-up. Y'all see it's cleaner now, bro. I ain't really get a chance to show y'all how it looked before, so I ain't give y'all the before and after. But, you know, I brought my stuff in here. That's just like my phone holder. You know, like the little phone holder for when you driving. You know what I mean? We safe driving. Got my binder, some paperwork that they gave me. I put some hoodies over here, so I'm gonna put my hoodies right here. This is gonna be my setup. Put the hoodies right here, or my summer clothes right here, whatever the case may be. It's about to get hot, so I'm probably gonna have an empty space, because I'm not gonna be needing no hoodies unless I'm going somewhere where it get a little chilly at night. You know, they do that on the West Coast, and I will be going to the West Coast, so I might keep a couple hoodies. I think that's like another bed thing. They haven't gave me my mattress, but you see, I cleaned that off. It was so dirty, like it was crumbs and stuff, and that was all dirty. Let me give y'all some light. Just give you the light, so y'all can really see. All that was like extremely dirty, like the walls and stuff. I don't know how somebody can get the walls dirty, but look, I cleaned all that off. Look how, come on now. I don't play about that cleaning. And then here's a little shelf area for my clothes. I got my couple of beanies right there, clothes, some shorts. My t-shirts are behind here. So that's my little setup. It's really, I don't know, I got to set up a little bit different, but I was kind of in a rush, but got my, that boy fly. Anyways, got all that cleaned up, put that stuff to work. Hey, spick span. That's what we use. Got some wipes as well in here. Some light. What is it? Oh, that's from McElroy. Hey, McElroy. Look, if y'all want y'all lights back, I'll mail them back to you. You know what I'm saying? I don't want y'all to think I'm stealing. I just took the whole little basket out the truck. I didn't look inside of it or anything like that. So, you know what I mean? I didn't do that intentionally. You know what I mean? But I will mail those back to y'all if y'all really want those. Like, it's really nothing. I just don't want y'all to think I'm out here stealing. That's not what I'm doing. Yeah, I cleaned all this off as well. Look, all my McElroy homies gonna be like, you better give me those lights back. Look, y'all meet me somewhere in these streets. Y'all know I'm on the road now. So look, I'll meet up with y'all. I'll give y'all lights back. You feel me? So look, boom. That's cleaned up. That was all dirty. Cleaned all that up. Oh yeah, my refrigerator. See, McElroy? Y'all ain't blessing boys with refrigerators. Look, I got a refrigerator. So cleaned out the refrigerator and cleaned all that out. So we good money. Homie left these up in here. If you're watching this and you just left the company that I'm working for now, look, you left your little apple juices. Look, don't even worry about them, big dog. I'll take full responsibilities of it, and I'll get rid of them for sure. They will be in good use. Even though apple juice kind of give me the bubble guts, but shoot, it's all good. I'm the only one in the truck anyway, so I'll do that to myself. Pause. So yeah, seat's a little dirty, but you know what? Seat's a little dirty, but it's all good. We'll clean those one of these days. But everything else is clean, spick span, and in order. You feel me? There's some more stuff that I got in my room that I'm gonna bring down. Look, got my hard hat too. Got a hard hat. A little dirty. Shout out to McElroy. They gave me the hard hat. You know, I'm forever grateful to McElroy. I got my resistance band because your boy out here getting swole. I don't know about y'all, but look, I've been so consistent with my workout. Like, every day I've been doing at least something. You know what I mean? Resistance band, hella sets. You know what I mean? To get that burn. I don't know what's up with that. But yeah, I've been real consistent with my workout. They gotta fix that. I'm gonna let them know that needs to be fixed, and I ain't do it. But yeah, check me out. Everything clean. Oh, they gotta fix this too. Where's the little door at? Where's the door? But yeah, everything else is A-okay. Cleaned out everything. Like, I literally cleaned everything. I spent hours trying to clean because I just can't operate in a dirty truck. You know what I mean? I'm not gonna feel comfortable. And I'm not gonna feel comfortable because it ain't my dirt. It's somebody else's dirt. So I don't know what the hell they were doing. So, you know, I gotta make sure it's all clean. You see, I'm all sweaty and stuff. But we good money now. You feel me? About to go back to my room, shower. Wait a minute. Almost forgot. I need clothes because I put all my clothes in here, so I need some clothes to wear. What we gonna do? What we doing? Boom. Just gonna wear some sweatpants and a shirt. That's it. We'll go to sleep in that. We'll chill in that. Whatever the case may be. I was thinking about Ubering to the movies, man. I want to see some. It's a couple of movies that I want to see. So I might just do that, man. I feel like I'm gonna be on the road tomorrow, so let me enjoy myself. Go to the movies or something. You know, have a good time before we back on the grind. Money on the mind. Everything fine. Never drop a dime. Freestyle King. I'm trying to tell y'all boys, hey, I'm really from Houston, man. That's what we did. We freestyle. But yeah, got my stuff cleaned out. Now I'm about to walk back to the room, order me some Uber Eats, shower, and rest up, because I'm blessed up. You feel me? But I'm going to show y'all my room too, so take y'all, because I ain't show y'all my room. I ain't show y'all nothing, bro. I'm telling you, bro, I've been slipping on the goddamn me videos and content, because I've been taking care of orientation stuff, taking care of my driving test, getting my mind right, and I haven't been recording none of it. So I do apologize about that, but I feel better now because it's official. I got my truck. So yeah, I'm not saying I was in a bad mood, but shoot, you focus, like, you just want things to get better. You want things to go as planned. Things weren't going as planned, and it kind of got me off track a little bit. But I stayed true. I got my mind right. That's why I put out that video the other day, because I'm like, man, it's been a while. I'm wondering, people asking me what's going on, how you doing. People been calling. You still on the road, things like that. Look, I'm outside, baby. We outside. So y'all will see me back on the road, and y'all will see me making more content more consistently. You know what I'm saying? Because that's what y'all want, right? I know. I already know. So yeah, let me hop in the shower and stuff, because I'm sweaty, like, woo. Get cleaned up, get right, and I'm gonna show y'all my room and whatnot. You know what I mean? And then shit, we're gonna go from there. All right, so boom, this is the room. So we got a little bathroom, as you can see. Got your little TV. It's all my stuff. Well, I put majority of my stuff in there. This is my dirty clothes. I went grocery shopping, so I got a few food items. But yeah, this is like the room that they put you in. You smell me? It's my bedding. So this building right here, it has the long haul office. It has dispatch. It has the recruiters. They're all downstairs. So the second floor, first floor is like offices. Second floor, these are all dorms. So these are all dorms over there, and then they got the, let me pull this up so y'all can see. Oh. So boom, so all the trucks and things like that over there, but yeah, kind of want to just give y'all a little tour of the room and stuff, and show y'all how it is. It's pretty cool that this company, have like dorms and rooms where they're not just putting you in hotels and stuff. So this is pretty cool. I thought that was dope. But yeah, that's it. Just kind of want to give y'all a little tour of the room. I know it's a little messy and stuff, but I'm about to clean up and put the rest of this stuff in the truck, and ask them to fix a few things that's on my truck, and then kind of just go from there. But yeah, this is it. This is it. I'm in the bathroom. But yeah, I just wanted to kind of like show y'all how I sit up in here. As always, stay safe, keep trucking, and utilize your gifts.